Hey, Toddle. So we know that there are a few issues with the Toddle Journal. When you share Google Slides or Google Docs that were worked on by a student template, so for example, something like this, um, when you are creating a learning experience and we add a Google Drive or a slide or doc, there's a copy for each student, and it looks like this, right? There's a named copy. We know that when we post that to the journal and when we post that to the report card, that parents cannot click on this link and see it. So for example, here I am as a parent logged in. This is my son's link, which was in his portfolio. And you can see I can't open it as a parent. I need access. So in this video, I want to talk to you about two issues. The first one is related to the permissions. When the document template is created for Google Slides or for Google Docs, it's not being set up correctly for the permissions. So what it should have is that anyone can be a reader. All right, let's go take a look at what it actually does. So right now, if I click on share, you can see the student, demo 5. He has editor privilege. That's good. But anyone with the link can view. I had to set that up manually. Toddle is doing this one automatically, where anyone at the school can edit this. Let me show you why that's a problem. Because when this is added to the journal, another student, let's say demo student number 3, right? Let's go over here to the class journal, and you can see demo student 5. You can see his work right here. And if we click on that, she can open it up. And actually demo student 3, right? Demo student 3 can edit demo student 5's work just by clicking on his journal. So that's a problem. So that's a second problem that I wanted you to think about here, is that, not only do we need to set it so that parents can, or anyone on the internet can view, but we need to make sure that other students cannot edit. So I'll give you an example of, another kids project here where I've set it up, and this is how it should look, right? It should look like this, where we have the student being the editor and anyone on the internet with this link can view. Now, how did I set this up? Toddle didn't do it for me. It eventually, I hope you will. But what I did is I went to the root folder for Toddle, and I went to the share settings. And what I did is I just basically went like this, and I said anyone with the link can view, like that. And then everything within took on those attributes. Now that's a workaround, but what we'd love is for you to acknowledge that this is a problem for two reasons, right? One, that parents can not enjoy the content on the report card or in the journal. And number two, that other students can actually edit other kids' work, including, deleting slides or whatever. So the solution, I believe, lies in the developer API reference here. So looking at the section here on permissions, when in the moment that the template is created, right? Like, for example, when the student actually clicks add response, when they do that, right? Let's go over here and testing number 2. You can see now demo student number 3, that just got created, right? With fresh permissions. When that happens, the following should happen. This should happen, this should happen, but this should not happen, right? And right now, the only reason this is happening, anyone with a link can view, is because I have it set up manually. So we need this to be done automatically for parents and to stop other students from being able to edit. Hopefully that's really clear that that's important. We'd love a confirmation that you understand the problem, and yeah, happy to discuss it some more. But thank you for your time. Take care.